What's up, guys? Double O Dude here, and yeah, I'm fixing to weld in my a piece that I've added here. I'm just gonna spot it across the bottom here, then on the opposite side. I've got it all cleaned up, and I cleaned up a real good fresh ground on it. So we're gonna see how this goes. It's always interesting. Welding is fun. Well, I ran out of welding wire, and this is my next piece here I need to put in. Fortunately, I don't have any more wire other than that chromio wire that came with the welder from Harbor Freight, which I guess I'm going to have to give it a try and just see how it does. Not my favorite scenario, but it is what it is. So just got to deal with what you got. So let's see how this works out. I can't say enough about man, use your safety gear. I use goggles underneath my hoodie or my welder mask just to be safe. I mean, your eyes you can't replace. So. Let's see what we got here. I have no idea how this part's going to weld because I'm back to the yucky Harbor Freight welding wire, so flux wire, so we'll see how it goes. We're going to stop for a little bit, regroup, practice on some other metal with this wire, and grind off this shit and start over again. Alright guys, I haven't ground it or anything, but it's coming together a little bit at a time, baby steps. I got to walk away and go and work again for about 5-6 hours, and then if I got time tonight, I'll come back and do a little bit more of this, but I'm really enjoying the way it's coming together. Looks good.